Hi guys, Apple has expanded call screening functionality in iOS 26 update, and there is an option to ask unknown callers, ask people who you don't have saved in your contact list for their name and reason for calling. Your iPhone can interrupt an incoming call, request the person's name and a short reason for calling. Here are the features. Go to your iPhone, tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to app settings from the bottom of the page. Here go to phone settings. You can decide whether to ask for more information, accept the call or decline the call. Open phone app settings. Here scroll down and to enable the feature ask reason for calling, here screen unknown callers. Three options available: never, ask reason for calling and silence. You can easily request the person's name and a short reason for calling. The information is transcribed to text and relayed to you, and you can decide whether to ask for more information, accept the call or deny the call. So simply choose ask reason for calling from your unknown sender, the number which you have not saved in your iPhone.